Alright, so I just received this box here. It came from Fontana, California, not knowing what this is, and I opened it up, and basically we got the WyzeCam. So this is the new WyzeCam Outdoor, and I'm just going to unbox it for you guys so you can see what comes in it. Okay, so yeah, I ordered this maybe when they announced it, I don't know, a month and a half ago or so, and didn't know when I was going to get it. The box looks like this. Pretty heavy, wire-free camera. This is what it looks like. It has like some photos in the back and everything here that it supports. It has 1080p full HD live stream, up to 6 months of a battery that's rechargeable, wire-free, IP65 weather resistant, free rolling 14-day cloud storage for 12-second event videos, PIR motion detector, night vision, and expandable storage. So let's open it up, see what kind of presentation they have here on this. So it's got this little, let's see, hole here, but this kind of opens up and looks like this whole thing basically. Oh yeah, oh I see. So this is in like this, and you can basically slide it out like that to open it like that, and then you end up with this. And then here, let's see, looks like we have another sticker here. So let's see if we can take this sticker off at the top. Not easily coming off, so let's use this guy. Go like that. See if we can go in here like that. Is that enough? Yeah, to pull it. All right, so here it pulls. Oh, here's another area one. So let's go down here like that. All right, so there it opens up, and what do we have? They have a nice little cushion here holding this in place, and here we got the camera. It's clearly bigger than the regular WyzeCam camera. Definitely feels heavier, which makes sense because there's a battery inside. So let's see, open it up. All right, so this is what it looks like here. It says Wyze on the top here. Similar, yeah, similar to the other one. Definitely not as smooth to move around, but it's brand new. Seems like it has some rubber sealing here for the back to open this part here. Kind of hard to open it. Let's see what's in here. And here we have our, okay, micro USB. That's unfortunate that it's on USB-C. It seems like there's some kind of power button there. On this side, some hooks here to attach it on things if you need to on the bottom. All right, so here's the camera. Pretty cool. Definitely bigger. Here's the receiver antenna that it comes with. This is the model that came with this. I think it was the only one you can order was the one that came with the receiver. So basically you can have this inside the house, you can have this outside somewhere, and then this has a slot, I believe, yeah, micro USB slot here, a sync button, you can connect this to your LAN, and there's a power connection there. So that's cool. Let's see, does this have a slot also for memory? I'm not sure. I thought it did, but maybe not. So, oh yeah, more. Here it says micro SD. So here's your micro SD that's in here. So you can put your micro SD directly in here, or you can put it in here so it's inside the house. So if someone steals this, you still have your content here. So that's kind of cool. Now let's see what else is in here. And here we got the brick. Oh, okay. So it looks like this. It plugs in with this kind of connector. It's not USB or anything. But that, I'm assuming, is, yeah, it must be for this. Yeah, for this connection here. Okay, that makes sense. And so you use the micro USB to charge, and then it also comes with, let's see, it has a USB, so it comes with a micro USB cable. Again, it'd be better if it was USB-C, but it's okay. And then here is a Cat 5 cable. So that's all that's in the box. So this is what it looks like. Oh, let's see what's in here. Here's a couple mounting anchor screws if you want to attach this somewhere, and then it has these little what is it, silicone little packets here to keep everything dry in there and any moisture. Oh wait, and there's something else here. Let's see, we have a sticker. It says I backed Wyze Outdoor on here, and it does come with a little booklet too right here. So let's see, this booklet has, yeah, information about it on here. So yeah, so this is what you get in your package. This, that, little sticker, and the cables here. All right, so we'll try this out and see how good it is, and probably make a video in the future that kind of has this has details about the quality of the camera, and we'll try it out for a while and see how good it is. So far I've heard great things about it, but we'll see once we try it out. All right, there it is. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you like this content that I'm posting. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it, and have a good one. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.